This is two-bedroom house abandoned. Let me put it that way. Sometimes we take you to places that you do not know. Sometimes we do interview, and today we are going to show the renovation of this two-bedroom apartment or two-bedroom house. This is how the compound look like. Yes, this is how the whole place looks like. So the renovation is going to start, and we are going to take it phase by phase. Going to take it phase by phase. So this is how the whole compound looks like. Yes, very bushy, unpleasant. Let me put it that way. So this is how it is. Some wood, some metal, some flames, very bushy, refuse and stuff. Now we box it up there and see what is up there, because it is the compound and the up there that we are going to work on. This is a renovation of two-bedroom house. All right, now let's go inside and see what we have inside. Renovation has started and it's ongoing. This is the door. We removed it, the old one yesterday, and replaced a new one. This is how the whole place is like. This is the washroom. Now removing everything. Okay, we'll come back on your way once more. Time. As you can see, some things are not present. That's the plumber fixing the broken pipes. That's the guy cleaning the whole compound, the refuse, the weeds. That's the electrician fixing all the electrical, replacing all the old cutout with a new one. That's the painter doing justice to it. That's the tiler fixing all the tiles, remove the old ones and fixing new ones. Renovation, it's ongoing. Oh yeah, you take it to places that you do not know. And this is the renovation of a two-bedroom house. The painter is doing justice to all the wall painting. That's it. Workers are at work, and that's the carpenter. That's the carpenter doing justice. Oh yeah. So we go to the balcony. Sha. This is too bad. As you can see, it is an abandoned indeed. That's too bad. But still, renovation is ongoing. Yeah. Okay. So after a day work, this is how the place look like in the night. Yeah. In the night. Renovation. Two-bedroom house renovation that has been abandoned. Oh yeah, the place is neat and clean. Wow. This is nice. Now the tiler is done with all the tiles work. Wow, this is beautiful. The painter is working. The carpenter is done with his work. This is nice. This is wow. Now the masons are on their way. Oh yeah. They removed one door and placed in another one. Okay. The painter is doing justice. The painter is doing justice. All the doors, the locks are being fixing and removing and fixing new ones. The painter still doing justice. The mason doing justice. 2-bedroom house renovation. So after the whole thing, this is what we had. This is what we had. Now it has left with the final touch, meaning we will remove all the stuffs around, then do the outside painting, fix in the pavements, then good to go. This is phase 3 of the whole project. Phase 3 of the whole renovation. This is it. This is it. Now climbing up there to see what we have inside. That is the bedroom and the hall and the kitchen, and so this is it. This is what we have now. The painter is done with his work. The mason is done with his work. The tilers are done. The plumber is done with his work. Has fixed all the taps, all the WCs and everything, the sink and everything. The tiler is done. The carpenter is done with his work, fix all the cabinets and all the wardrobes and the stuffs. The carpenter too is done. The mason is done. The painter is done. With the rooms, you must say it is done. Wherever you find yourself, if you need something like this, don't hesitate. Just call the number on the screen or send a message. Anything at all that you want to do about your abandoned house, it will be fixed for you. Abizi TV will take you to places that you do not know. Please enjoy the rest of the video.